Good. Analytical geometry of grade 12. Okay. Grade 12. When we left over the equation of the graph of the cycle where the center is the origin, I said to you, we will then migrate to the next equation of the graph where the cycle, the center is not from the origin. You remember? You remember? There. This is not 0. It's something else. There comes a radius. And there is a point there. There is a point A here. The x at A and the y at A. Alright? Here also we have the center of this cycle. Let's put A, the small a, and B to represent the center. If we have the cycle where the center is not from the origin, I'm telling you because you have enough vocabulary of analytical geometry. People, we can use the distance formula. The distance formula to find the distance between AC. Do you remember the distance formula? AC squared is equals to the x at A minus the x at C squared plus the y at A minus the y at C squared. Now people, AC is representing R. Let's just plug in R here without wasting time. R squared. Okay. Well, the x at A is just the x at A. Okay, let's just put the x at A minus the x at C is A squared plus the y at A is just the y at A minus the y at C is B squared. People, let me tell you something. This is the equation, the general equation of the cycle where the center is not from the origin. Can you master it? X at A minus A at the center squared plus the y at A minus B squared. Alright. I am telling you people, we will get many things from this formula here. Alright. Okay. Let me ask you something. Can you write the equation of the cycle where the center is minus 3 and 7 and the radius equals to 6? Simple, people. Do you remember the formula well? Yes. What says the formula? R squared is equals to the x at A minus A. What is the A? The A is the x at the center, ne? Right. Squared plus the y at A minus B. B is the y at the center. How much is R? R is 6 squared is equals to the x at A minus. How much is the x at A at the center? Minus 3. Minus 3 squared plus the y at A minus 7 squared. So is 36 equals to x minus or x plus 3 squared plus y minus 7 squared. Well, you can leave it like this depending to whether your teacher will allow you to leave it like that or not. If you feel that you are strong, you can still continue with it and get it the other way around. Okay, people? Now, people, we are now supposed to find, okay, I need a space here, find the center. If for an example you have x minus x minus 4 squared plus y plus 6 squared equals to 49. Okay. People, if you have this x minus 4 squared y plus 6 squared equals to 49, and you are requested to determine the radius and the center. It's easy, people, I'm telling you, but be careful, people. The radius is this one here, and this one is r squared. It's not r, it's r squared. R squared is 49. So meaning that the r is plus or minus the square root of 49, which is plus or minus 7. That is the r. But because r is always positive, people, r is equals to 7. Now people, here the center is A and B. We are taking the A from here and the B from here. But when you put them in here, it must be opposite sign of this. I'm repeating it. When you write the center here, it must be in the opposite sign. So if it's negative there, the A will be positive 4. Do you get my point now? If it's negative here, I'm telling you, it must be negative 6. Always remember, when you write the center as coordinate, it must be the opposite to the one at the equation. Do you see? The negative 4, it becomes positive 4. Positive 4, it becomes negative 6. Ne? Okay. Maybe let me give you another one. I'm having here x plus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals to 25. How much is the radius? The r squared is equals to 25. Alright? Meaning that r is equals to plus or minus the square root of 25. And this r here is equals to how much? How much? How much? Plus or minus 5. R is always positive. This means that R is 5. Center, which is A and B. This gives you the opposite to this one. It's positive there, minus 5. It's negative here, positive 3. Then you got your things right. It's a very cheap thing to do. It's easy, people. It's easy. But people, on the last one, we are having here x squared minus 12x plus y squared plus 4y equals to negative 15. If they ask you to write this equation of the cycle in terms of x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared, people, it must be easy. Let me show you. Here you group the x together and the y's together. All right, this one here is x squared minus 12x grouped together plus y squared plus 4y grouped together equals to minus 15. People, do you still remember something in grade 11 called completing the square? Completing the square. Do you still remember that? You complete the square here. And when we complete the square, we deal with the coefficient of x, the coefficient of y. Ne? You multiply this coefficient of x by half and you square it. You complete the square. Meaning that this here will be x squared minus 12x. When you multiply this, do you see the this here? 2 into this, it goes 6 times 6. 6 squared is positive 36. Continue grouping it. Plus. This one here, you do the same. 4 multiplied by half square. You complete the square. Y squared plus 4y. Ne? Plus 4. Because this one here is 2 squared is 4. Minus 15. What we have done at the left hand side, do it at the right hand side. You have added 36, add 36 this side, then add 4 again. Okay. And you can factorize this. I'm telling you, people, this is x minus 6, x minus 6. This one here is y plus 2, y plus 2 equals to this one is 21 plus 4. 21 plus 4 is 25. Now, people, this one here is x minus 6 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals to 25. You got your things right. What is the radius here? the radius of this is this plus or minus the square root of 25, which is equals to 5. The center here is positive 6 minus 2. You got the things right. People repeat this again and again and again and again, and you will get used to this. I'm telling you, you win. Okay? People, we'll deal with the problems of cycles in the next video. Don't miss the next video. It's also part of our syllabus. All right? Good. Goodbye for now.